In front of me is HUWAEI Matepad 10.4 2022, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off autocorrection on this tablet. Firstly, go into Devices Settings, scroll down and choose System and Updates. Then click on Language and Input, SwiftKey Keyboard, and Typing. Over here you need to select Typing and Autocorrect section, and lastly click on this switcher next to Autocorrection feature. As you can see, automatic text correction is now off, but you can always turn it back on by clicking on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!